Welcome back. Today, I'm revealing the ultimate USA crypto guide, months of research, distilled for you. We'll break down the best coins to consider right now, from the giants to the game changers. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just my research to kickstart your own crypto journey. Always, do your own research before investing a dollar. If you're ready to discover the next big thing for your portfolio, smash that like button and subscribe. We've got some wild crypto content coming up. Let's dive in. First up, the king, Bitcoin. No other cryptocurrency has captured the world's attention quite like it. Since its creation, Bitcoin has become a symbol of financial revolution and digital innovation. If you're building a crypto portfolio, Bitcoin is your foundation. It's the bedrock that supports everything else, providing stability in a volatile market. It's the most secure, recognized, and institutionally adopted crypto out there. Major companies and financial giants are now paying attention, and even governments are taking notice. Bitcoin survived every crash and regulatory scare for over a decade. Through every bear market and headline panic, it's proven its resilience time and again. Its real power, acting as digital gold, a store of value no government can touch. It's a safe haven for wealth in uncertain times, trusted by millions worldwide. With only 21 million coins ever, scarcity drives its long-term price. This built-in limit makes Bitcoin unique among digital assets. The upcoming Bitcoin halving will cut new supply, historically triggering major bull runs. Each halving event has marked a new chapter in Bitcoin's growth story. Institutions and countries buy Bitcoin to hedge against inflation, not meme coins. It's a serious asset for those looking to protect and grow their wealth. It's the anchor in the crypto storm, providing confidence when everything else feels uncertain. Ignoring Bitcoin is a huge mistake for any investor. Missing out on its potential could mean missing out on the future of finance. It's the king for a reason, and it's not stepping down. Bitcoin's dominance is unmatched, and its legacy continues to grow. Bitcoin is the cornerstone of any serious crypto portfolio. If you want strength, security, and long-term potential, Bitcoin is where you start. Next up, Ethereum, the digital oil fueling the decentralized world and powering a new era of innovation. It's not just a cryptocurrency, it's the engine behind a revolution in how we interact, create, and exchange value online. Ethereum is a programmable blockchain, opening the door to NFTs, DeFi, and dApps, digital assets, decentralized finance, and applications that run without middlemen. It's a platform where anyone can build, experiment, and launch new ideas. Its smart contracts are self-executing agreements that enable innovation across finance, art, gaming, and beyond. These contracts automate trust, making transactions transparent and secure, and opening up possibilities we're only beginning to imagine. Yes, gas fees were once a major hurdle, but Ethereum's upgrades, like the merge, have dramatically slashed energy use and are making transactions faster, greener, and more affordable for everyone. With sharding and Layer 2 solutions, Ethereum is unlocking massive scalability, allowing it to handle thousands of transactions per second and support a truly global user base. Investing in Ethereum means betting on the backbone of Web3, a thriving ecosystem with thousands of developers building the future of the internet, from finance to entertainment and beyond. Its first-mover advantage, robust community, and clear roadmap make it a must-have for anyone seeking explosive growth and long-term potential in crypto. Ethereum is the foundation for the next generation of the internet, supporting everything from digital art to decentralized social networks. If you want exposure to the future of decentralized technology, Ethereum is absolutely essential in your portfolio. It's more than just a coin, it's a global supercomputer, connecting people and ideas worldwide. Don't overlook Ethereum's potential to reshape our digital lives. Now, meet Solana, the high-speed race car of crypto. Solana handles tens of thousands of transactions per second for a fraction of a cent. Its unique proof of history lets it process transactions in parallel, making it lightning fast. This speed has fueled explosive growth in DeFi and NFTs. Yes, Solana's had outages, but the team's made huge strides in stability. For investors, Solana is a high-risk, high-reward bet on scalable blockchains. If mass adoption needs speed and low fees, Solana is leading the charge. Its comeback story proves its resilience and community strength. Switching gears, Cardano is the Swiss watch of crypto precise, secure, and sustainable. Built on peer-reviewed research, every update is rigorously tested before launch. Its two-layer architecture separates transactions from smart contracts for flexibility. Cardano's proof-of-stake, Ouroboros, is energy efficient and academically proven. The community is passionate, and the foundation is strong. If you value security and long-term vision, Cardano is a compelling choice. It's a slow and steady contender for the future of smart contracts. Back to Ethereum. Polygon is its ultimate sidekick. Polygon is a Layer 2 solution, building express lanes for faster, cheaper Ethereum transactions. Thousands of dApps and major brands use Polygon for its speed and low costs. Its suite of scaling solutions like ZK Rollups gives developers flexibility. Polygon's vision: a multi-chain internet where blockchains connect seamlessly. The recent Polygon 2.0 upgrade unifies its network for even more power. If Ethereum grows, Polygon grows with it. Matic is a direct bet on Ethereum's continued dominance. Avalanche is redefining speed and customizability in crypto. Its consensus protocol confirms transactions in under a second, crucial for finance and gaming. Avalanche's subnets let anyone build custom blockchains for specific needs. This model enables infinite scalability and keeps fees low. Avalanche's ecosystem is booming, especially in DeFi and gaming. For investors, it's a bet on a multi-chain, customizable future. Avalanche is a top contender in the smart contract wars. Finally, Chainlink, the essential bridge for all blockchains, seamlessly connecting isolated digital worlds to the vast possibilities of the real world. Blockchains, by design, can't access real-world data on their own. They're secure, but isolated, cut off from the information that powers real applications. Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network securely connects smart contracts to off-chain data, like weather, prices, and events, making them truly useful. Its network of independent nodes ensures tamper-proof, reliable information with no single point of failure or control. Chainlink is the industry standard, integrated with every major blockchain and hundreds of DeFi projects, powering everything from lending to insurance. Its price feeds and data services secure billions in value across the crypto ecosystem, protecting assets and enabling innovation. Chainlink is chain agnostic. No matter who wins the platform wars, every blockchain needs oracles to function in the real world. As more value and activity move on-chain, Chainlink's importance and influence only continue to grow. Investing in Chainlink is a bet on the entire smart contract ecosystem. It's the ultimate connector powering the future of decentralized technology. That's a wrap. We've covered 7 top crypto projects for US investors. From Bitcoin's stability to Chainlink's critical infrastructure, each offers unique growth potential. Remember, crypto is volatile. Do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Drop your favorite coin in the comments. Let's hear your picks. Subscribe for more guides and updates. We've got much more coming. Thanks for watching, and see you in the...
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.